Hi everyone, I am Silas Farzami, a real estate broker and mortgage broker. The Bank of Canada just cut the key interest rate by 0.25%, bringing it to 2.5%. A 3-year low, this is the first cut in 6 months. Today I want to talk to you about the followings. How this rate cut impacts the housing market, what the opportunities it creates for the buyers and sellers, and what to watch out for. What does a rate cut mean for housing? Means lower borrowing costs, lower monthly payments for new buyers, or people renewing their mortgages. Increased demand. More people who were waiting may now decide it's more affordable to buy. Home prices may increase, especially in competitive areas. Let's see what are the risks and considerations at this situation. First, inflation and economic uncertainty still exist. Even with the rate cuts, lenders may tighten other terms. Second, fixed-rate mortgage holders locked into higher rates don't benefit immediately, only when renewing or refinancing. Third, if the demand increases too fast without enough supply, prices could rise sharply, making affordability worse. Fourth, for sellers, if you plan to buy another home, after selling, your financing costs may still be higher. Let's see the opportunities for the buyers. If you are buying now, locking in a mortgage at lower variable or fixed rates could mean cost savings. First-time home buyers might find more incentive. Lower rates may reduce monthly payments sufficiently to qualify for mortgages they couldn't qualify before. Homeowners with higher mortgage rates can refinance into lower rates to reduce payments or pay down principal faster. Sellers could benefit from increased buyer activities. Home may sell faster. More buyer means better chances to sell at good prices. If you have equity and are considering upgrading, downgrading, you might leverage lower interest to reduce carrying costs on a new purchase. So, lower interest rates are good news, especially for those ready to buy, refinance, or want to act now. But we need to act smartly. Watch for risks and make sure you are getting the best financing possible. If you have any questions about buying or selling in this environment or want to review your mortgage options, reach out to me at 416-992-8043. Please don't forget to like, share, follow for updates. Thanks for watching.